In her Union Budget 2024 speech, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's omission of Manipur sparked criticism from Congress MP Bimol Okoijom, who took to X and wrote, and I quote, "Absence thy name is Manipur. That's the budget speak. Nothing on flood and rehabilitation package for IDPs in the state."
Assam grapples with floods every year by the Brahmaputra River and its tributaries originating outside India. We will provide assistance to Assam for flood management and related projects.